Where to add friend code at TravelBook.ph. For desktop, go to TravelBook.ph, then search for your preferred hotel, tour, or activity. Make sure that you're logged into your account for the Pay at Hotel option. Enter the required information, and on the right side of the page, you will see the friend code box where you should type your friend code. Choose your preferred mode of payment, and then click the checkbox after you read the terms and conditions. Click Confirm Booking. For mobile web, open your web browser and go to TravelBook.ph. Search for your preferred hotel, tour, or activity, and click Book Now. Enter the required information. At the Do You Have a Friend Code button at the bottom, type your friend code and tap Apply Friend Code. Choose your payment option and then proceed with payment. For mobile app, search for your preferred hotel, tour, or activity and click Book Now. Enter the required information. At the friend code button, type your friend code and tap Apply Friend Code. Choose your payment option, then proceed with your payment.